Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to pull the cat eye effect to the front. This is important for a lot of different designs, so let's get into it. To start off, I'm going to be doing one coat of the cat eye polish, and I'm going to be not curing it, leaving it wet, and you want to take your rectangular magnet with your rectangle facing you, and you'll see it kind of move in there. That's what you want to see. So you want to take your magnet and alternate from side to side, leaving the magnet face up. Whenever you're switching sides, make sure not to put it close to the nail because it could pull the magnet in a different way. And you want to just do it like this, and you'll see the magnet appear, and you see kind of when I twist it up and down too, that can alternate. So you want to play around with that as well. Leave it as straight toward the nail as you can to help ensure that the cat eye is being placed exactly where you need it to be. And keep alternating side to side, and you'll notice exactly when it's to the front, like just about here. You'll see kind of is when it's kind of in the middle, but I want to play around with it a little bit more just to make sure that that effect is as front and center as you want it to be. And moving on to the next step, you want to take the same rectangular magnet and turn it to the side so that it's in like a horizontal position, and you can twist it and pull it up and down just like you see me doing on the top. And you want to do this with the bottom as well. You'll see the cat eye appearing as I twist it and disappearing or moving to a different spot. So that's key here. You want to play around with it at your own pace, and you'll see what works best for you and at which positionings. At the point where I am now, I just put the magnet boom, 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 and it comes right into place because now I know exactly what angles and what positions to put it at. So as you play around with it more, you'll learn this and it'll become very, very, very easy. So you'll see it here. That's how you pull the magnet to the front. And the good thing about magnetic polish is it's super forgiving. If you make a mistake or you don't like the way it's working out for you, you can just take the same brush and go over it again, and that'll allow you to start fresh. So now I'm going to show you using a stronger cylindrical magnet how to pull it to the front. So you'll see how much brighter it looks with this one. So you want to do the same thing, but kind of push it on the side and move it up and down while you're on the side to kind of bring it in, as you see me doing here. It's kind of like up and down windshield wiper motions, if that makes sense. It's very fast back and forth. You can see how when I do this, it really, really brings in that cat eye effect. So now that I've done the sides, I'm going to do the same thing, but put the magnet facing up and down to do the bottom. So I just kind of place it there, and then the top, I'm doing the same thing, but kind of moving in side to side motions as well, getting it exactly where I want it to be, twisting it as well, trying to make sure I'm getting it exactly right in the center. The key is to play around with it until you find what works best for you. So now I'm going to show you how to do the cat eye effect to pull it to the front on a French tip. So my French tip is already drawn. I'm taking the same cylindrical magnet here, and I'm doing windshield wiper motions on the side, bringing everything forward. And then I'm taking the magnet up and down, putting it on the bottom part, making sure everything is as center as it needs to be. You can go back in and like fix the sides a little bit if it wasn't as center as you wanted it to be. And now that that's looking great, we can move on to the top. So the top is a little harder, right? You can't place it directly against it, so I like to place it as close as I can, and you can kind of flick it. You can flick the effect into place, and boom, there you have it. You have your beautiful cat eye brought to the front on a regular nail and on a French tip. I hope this helps. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.